So, she got some stuff. Let's go through it. Hello, it is Sunday. We are going to DC. I need to pack. We are leaving like now. And as I was packing, I realized I didn't film my what I got for my birthday. So here is the what I got for my birthday haul so that I can go ahead, pack these, use these, and not do that weird choppy video stuff, even though it's going to be like that. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first item, very, very excited. Farfetch had their 30% off sale. So I got a couple of things from this brand. It's called Miaou, as that's French for meow. And if you watch Euphoria, all the gals are wearing it. And also like the gals like Miss Bella Hadid is wearing it. So I got this lovely toile de joie patterned corset top here, and I am a big toile de joie fan. I think it is such a nice pattern for the summertime, the springtime. I recently came back from France, stayed in Versailles, and that's just kind of re-sparked that. And what's fabulous about this top is it actually comes as a set. So I didn't get this from Farfetch because they didn't have the bottoms, but I got this off of Essence. Essence is also having their sale as well. So this is the bottom to the top, and it's just this skirt here. I got the top in a medium. It's a little, like, it fits, but I'm a little worried. I'm a little worried that any more weight gained and it won't fit well. I got the bottoms in a large. I'm hoping it's going to fit. The waist looks a little bit big, I'm not gonna lie. I have a smaller waist and like bigger hip, bigger thighs, bigger legs. So try it on and wear it. We're probably gonna go to a vineyard somewhere in Virginia on this trip. So I think this would be lovely, like a really beautiful set. So that is the first. And then the next thing I got from Miaou was another corset top as well. And this is like the Campbell soup top here. This one I did get in the large just to give me some room, though, you know, we'll see how it fits. Maybe I do need the medium. Miaou actually partnered with Paloma recently, and they have like a collaboration together, and there's like extra sizing as well. So we love that. So this is the top. See, there's like this corset here. Oh, I love the pop of red here. I think with like black jeans or even like blue or like a green, this would be so, so nice. And so when I bought this top, because I don't read, I thought it had like sleeves. This is how it was styled on Essence, but it was actually the transparent t-shirt under it. And so when I went back to get that transparent t-shirt to wear under, it was gone. So I'm hoping they restock that either on their own website or on Essence, so I can buy it and wear it the way that I saw that it was styled. The next item that I got was also from Farfetch, and it came from this boutique called Diliberti, and it's a boutique in Italy. There's the website if we want to visit that. And this is a pair of shoes. I got a lot of shoes for my birthday. I got a pair of Vejas. So when I was in Paris, I wanted to stop by the store to get a pair. I was also in Galeries Lafayette, and I don't know, I forgot. I just forgot, and I didn't have time, so I couldn't visit, and I was bummed because they'll be cheaper in France, whatever. I like how it comes with this little advertisement here about the brand. I think that's really cool. It's in the style of a newspaper. They also have this like feature of their repairs, and they have this in their shops. They also have this in Galeries Lafayette. It's really cool if you go there. In fact, I'll insert a little snippet of that here. But I got this in, let me double check what the exact color is. Just called white matcha. But this is in the size 38, which is a US 7, they say. Usually it's like 37 is a 7, but I don't know, I guess these aren't. But here they are. They're in this kind of like lovely muted, not sage, not mint, somewhere in between green, and I think they would just be perfect for the summer and a different kind of vibe from my Stan Smiths. Listen, I am a Stan Smiths stan, forever, always will be, in the classic pair with like the green. But I just wanted something a little bit different, and I'm gonna wear these two. Do you see them? These are going to be my summer shoe. I also have plans to get like the pink version. These are the V10s, right? Are these the V10s? Yeah, these are the V10s. That's the style. Here's a little mod shot. They give a little bit of a Nike vibe. It's very European. Like, I don't know what that means and how to describe that, but like if you get it, you get it. So love these. These are gonna go so well with so many things, but ticked that off of the wish list. And then let's see, what do we have next? Next up is none other than Hermès. Here she is. We can guess what's in it. It is another foulard. This was on my birthday list, and this is a glorious pastel pattern, pastel color. What am I saying? Let me take it out of the box. But there's a couple of colors that I really want in Hermès scarves, right? Like, to me, Hermès scarves are very much a summertime vibe. This is the La Berline Bayadère. We can see that right there. And it's got some traditional Hermès motifs with the carriage wheel, and then like the belt. But it has all these glorious colors. This like kind of framboise pink, this a little bit of vert criquet in there, and then like the jaune, and then the orange as well. So I'm gonna take this with me to DC. I'm gonna wear it as a top or like as a little hair thing, and it is just, let's just imagine this as a top. She's glorious, she's beautiful. Let me go back a little bit more. There she is. This is also in the 90 by 90. This one is dry clean only, as always. And yeah, not much more to say about that except for she is fabulous, exceptional, all of the above. But she is just a scarf, a foulard, so there's not really much to show. So let's go on to the next item. More shoes. So I also got this purchase from Farfetch, and I am super excited because I finally got these, and I thought these would be impossible. I thought these would be impossible to get, but they weren't. The beauty of Farfetch. I think these actually might have come from like StockX, to be honest with you. One of those brands. But yes. Get into it. These are the Nike Air Force Ones collaboration with Supreme. It is just your basic classic pair of Air Force Ones, except, oh, there you go. It's from Stadium Goods. So now you know. Except it has the little Supreme logo. I know it's so basic, but I think it just like adds so much more to the shoe. I got these in the 6.5, I believe. Yes, I got these in the 6.5. Typically, I wear an 8 in women's Nikes. So here we go. There's a Supreme logo with the Air, the swoop. There's the front, kind of similar to the Vejas, you know what I mean? And then there's a little AF1 with Supreme there. And what I love about these is they come with the red, what are these? Shoelaces. They come with the red shoelaces. I'm definitely gonna switch these out and wear them like this. Just kind of like a perfect shoe, you know, they're not necessarily Dior level pricing, so like a cute shoe, a nice shoe that I could wear out for like a fancier occasion, but I don't have to baby them as much as I do with the Dior's, even though, you know, that isn't necessarily something I'm doing with my Dior's either, but like there is still kind of like, I'll pay this much for this shoe, it ain't gonna be worn like that. Moving on to the final item. This I got from the Webster, actually. The Webster also had a 30% off sale. So you know I had to do a little shopping. So they give you a little coupon code. Probably will use that. And then, oh, that's cute. There's like a little Positano postcard there. I don't know how people do this. Let's get into it. The little, look at that, it's so cute with the flamingos. Are you ready? Ta-da! I think we know what this is. I think we know what this is. You probably just saw the color, but give a moment. Guess the color. Okay, let's do this. So, this is the Jacquemus. Okay, stop. Hold on. Stop. Anyways, this is the Jacquemus Le Chiquito in Moyen, the Moyen, medium size, in the croc embossed leather motif in this lovely green color. Give me a second and I'll give you the exact name of this color. This is light green. It's called light green. Isn't she adorable? Yeah, this sticker peeled off, but that's fine. We'll just rip it off. So, she is glorious. Come in here. There's the extra strap that you can hook on the sides. Here is the inside of that. And I got this in 30% off. When I was in France, I wanted to get a bunch of Jacquemus stuff, but I went to Galeries Lafayette, was like, I guess the only department store that I got to, and they don't have a like standalone Jacquemus store anywhere. So the items they had there was limited in stock, and it wasn't anything that I wanted. Like I wanted this. I wanted the Le Chiquito long in either the pink or like the sage. They didn't have that either. So I'm so happy that I got this, probably just as much as it would have cost in France because I used a 30% off code. It's just so perfect for summer. I mean, I guess you could do this, probably not. I'm gonna hold it as a top handle and use a strap. And this is what I'm gonna take with me to the trip in DC. Can we just take a moment though and like, think about these two together. Ah, glorious, glorious, glorious. It's beautiful, glorious, gorgeous, and we love. So that is what I got for my birthday. I've got like 10 minutes to pack and leave my house. So we're gonna end the video here. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. comment, like, subscribe. You know the dealio. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye.